Well, I stumbled in at 2 a.m. all drunk and full of smoke. My wife said I have had enough, that said I'm sick, get out! So I stumbled down to Kelly's pub, across the edge of town. And I told the boys my story, and we had another round. Okay. Now we're drinking, fight. We'll drink and fight. And if I see a pretty girl, I'll sleep with her tonight. Yes, I'm drinking, fight. And Mary McGregor, well, she was a pretty whore. She'd always greet you with a smile and never lock her door. But on the day she died, all the men in town did weep, for Mary McGregor finally got some sleep. Now we'll drink and fight. We'll drink and fight. And if I see a pretty girl, I'll sleep with her tonight. Yes, I'm drinking, fight. Well, I once loved a girl, a child I'm told. I gave her my heart, and she gave me a cold. So now I sit standing here, out in the pouring rain. I'll stumble back to Kelly's pub, and cry away me pain. Now drink, fight. Drink, fight. And if I see a pretty girl, I'll sleep with her tonight. Drink, fight.
Oh my gosh.